In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to solve nonlinear equations. So here we have a parabola and we have a linear equation. So the combination of the two is called a nonlinear equation. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually go ahead and graph the parabola first. We can actually find the factors. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find two numbers that when you multiply you get 12 and when you add you get -8. So in other words, a times b is going to give you 12 and a plus b is going to give you -8. Well, I actually already know the numbers, so we can actually use x times x, and the numbers that will multiply to 12 and will add up to -8 are 6 and 2. This one has to be -6. This one has to be -2 as well. Keep in mind this is equals to 0, so we're trying to solve by factoring. So then I have one 0 here at x equals to 2, and then I have another 0 at x equals to 6. Let me go ahead and draw my parabola through these 2 points, and also I can actually find how low this graph is going to go. So how did I find out this point right here? All I did is I found the average of this 2. So I did 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. And 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. Okay, so that is my x, and that's how I find my axis of symmetry. Now, how low it's going to go, you just have to input the 4. You have to input the 4 into the equation. Let me type it for you. So that's 16 minus 32 plus 12. Well, we can clearly see right here that this is going to be minus 16 plus 12, which will be -4. And that's how I got the -4 right here. So that -4 is this point right here. That is my vertex. So we're going to do the linear one, and that one is pretty easy too. What I did is I plug in the 4 times 4 is 16 minus 24, that's going to be -8, and that's how I got the -8 right here. Okay, so now we have the point here of intersection, which is 6, 0. That's the point where they both meet. Y equals to x squared minus 8x plus 12. So all I need to do now, tell whether it's true or false. So I'm gonna just evaluate this, and this is what I get. Okay, I get 36 minus 48 plus 12, which in this case is gonna be 0 equals to 0. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one, which is right here, y equals 4x minus 24. So I'm gonna test it to see if the point 6, 0 is a solution. So let's go ahead and do that right now. If you want to do it before me, you can pause the video. So here is my equation, and I'm replacing the same value, which is 0 and 6. I plug it in. Well, I know 4 times 6 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So it looks like this is 0 equals to 0, which it does check. That means that we can actually use this as part of our answer, okay? Yep, so this one looks like it's going to work. So my solution is going to be 6, 0. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. This is Mario, and I will see you on the next video.